Okay, so if you use ChatGPT, there's something to be on the lookout for. When you log in and you start using it, you might get a pop-up in your browser that'll say something like, do you want to allow ChatGPT or OpenAI to store data in your browser's local storage? Now, it's up to you whether you want to do this, but I would not allow this, and here's the reason why. Now, first of all, let's talk about why they're doing this. They're trying to store all your conversation history locally in your browser so that when you open a new chat, it's going to have the context of all your other chats, right? So not just the one that you're currently in, but everything, from the past that you ever told it. That's all going to be stored in your local browser if you allow it. And the reason I say don't do this is that there are these things out there called stealer logs. And if your computer gets infected with one of these, it can basically take all your passwords, all your usernames, everything that your browser is storing, including that local browser storage, cookies and everything else, tokens, and could send it to somebody, and they're probably going to share it with everybody else, and eventually it'll be out there. So basically, bottom line is that it's possible that your ChatGPT history, everything you do, could eventually get leaked out into the public domain. So that's why I say strongly consider don't allow ChatGPT to store data in your local browser storage. All right. Now the reason they're doing this is they're trying to make it more user-friendly. So you open a new chat and it remembers everything else you've told it, right? So that way you don't have to keep telling it the same thing over and over. It has that full context. So it's really, they have a good reason for doing it. But again, the risk is that all that's going to be stored locally in your browser's local storage, where it potentially could be leaked later on. So if you ever see that pop up, do you want to allow ChatGPT to store data in your browser's local storage? Really, really strongly consider not allowing it. If you've been using ChatGPT and you have not allowed it and it works fine for you, there's really probably no good reason to enable it.